Hello, Facebook.
It's just me anyways.
It's recording, by the way.
Hello, video camera. Like teardown commence on random BMX bike.
Any reason why you're sitting on it?
Where's your Allen keys?
Why not sit on it? I don't know where my Allen keys are. There's tools everywhere. They're probably outside in the trunk.
Because you're gonna need them for the S10.
I've already got the right Allen key for the stem. It's the right Allen key for pretty well almost the entire bike.
Except the seat.
Yeah, that one's probably a smaller one. Oh boy. And the bars are off. And the cap is off. Well, part of the
I don't
stem.
think the stem's worth anything.
The stem? It's okay.
It looks kind of bulky.
Yeah, but it's still okay.
Wait, you gonna make this into like your normal bike, like day-to-day bike?
Probably.
Hopefully not sell it within the week. Hopefully not sell it within the week.
He's not selling this bike.
Nope.
It's a bike that he can fuck around with. It's not like a nice
The
bike.
only way he'd sell this bike if it's for scrap metal because he broke it so badly.
Okay.
You want me to do that when you do something else on the bike?
Well, should be good. Holy.
Muscle strength! Kyle has it.
Sometimes has it.
Looks like you have it right now.
Where's Ben when I need him?
At work or at home.
You could actually sell some of these parts on Pink Bike or whatever the site you use to sell bikes on. Careful the bearing.
I'm not gonna be selling any of this stuff.
Keep it for parts just in case you break
Keep it for
it.
spares.
Yeah, exactly.
Probably build two bikes. Put one of those bikes up on the wall.
Well, I have all the stuff to build the Haro again, but it's a Haro.
What's wrong with the Haro?
I normally break them.
So it'd be good for a bike to build to sell.
Not even.
Really?
Not worth a whole lot.
Why? It's worth less than $50.
What?
It's worth less than $50.
Complete? Probably.
That's sad.
It's not even mine.
Oh.
It's Corey's.
It's pretty cool. I know all the parts by heart, like what size and whatnot.
Geez, once you finish this bike course, you have to pick up his bike. Reminds you have to go riding.
What are those? The silver things.
The silver baton that's on the outside?
The inside. The spacers?
Yeah. This was not supposed to be placed there.
Oh.
What is that?
That was in the wrong spot.
And this bike's gonna weigh like a feather after this.
Probably. This is the part that gets interesting.
Look how small it is without all this crap in it. Looks like a child's bike.
Yeah, because it's a 20-inch. 20-inch frame. Maybe smaller.
My height, I wouldn't be able to ride it, so it's pointless.
Oh, there's people that are taller than you that ride BMX.
I don't understand how. With my knees touching handlebars.
It's because they're standing all the time. Actually, a lot of people that are taller are better BMXers because they have the body size and the muscle mass and the height and everything to be able to just do it better. They can hop higher, they can spin faster, they're just stronger overall. Holy freaking crank bolt.
Is it supposed to be like that? What kind of sprocket is that? A salt?
The kind of sprocket it is a dead sprocket that is not going back on this bike.
What's wrong with it? It's a bit rusty, but
You're putting the white one on, right?
It's rusty, bent, not very pretty to look
there's a
at.
model number on it.
What?
That's the first. I've never seen a model number on these. It's weird.
Okay,
So you're gonna be putting a white sprocket? I guess it's seen its better days. It's going desk now.
let's see.
So I'm guessing it's gonna build it up right now. Is that his plan?
Yeah. That way you can have fun later.
It doesn't weigh anything.
It's gonna be fun to paint.
Hey, what's wrong with this color? It's beautiful.
I'm gonna personalize it. So I'm probably gonna put like flames and stuff on it. And put his name on it.
Maybe, probably.
So I'm gonna have fun with spray paint and tape. I'm gonna have Kyle videotape me doing that. And that way we're gonna put a series of videos on YouTube.
Cool.